Hi, so my name is Ryan, and I go to Monte Vista High School. I'm a rising senior there. So the main project that I'm kind of doing right now is the omnidirectional robot. So it can kind of go in any direction. So it's been 6 days since I started the project, and I've managed to kind of get the electrical components complete, and I successfully paired the PS2 controller to the Arduino or the wireless adapter here, so that it will accept inputs from the controller and make the motors move. So basically, right now I have a battery pack sort of connected to a breadboard, and then from this breadboard are these wires that extend to the motor driver and Arduino, so then they can power both the motor drivers and Arduino. And from here, there are wires that connect to all three of these VEX 2-wire motors, and then to basically control the speed for the motor, I've connected these wires to the E and A and E and B pins that are plugged into the digital pins with the tilde symbol. And basically I did that because these allow me to control the speed of the motor, and this requires PWM, which can basically turn on and off the motor drivers really quickly so that the speed will be at its optimal speed. Okay, and then yeah, so I have the wireless adapter here, and I soldered the wires onto the individual sort of pins here, and then I plugged it into the analog pins on the Arduino to just basically power it. So I also coded everything, and yeah, it works. Right now all it can do is, so when I press these 4 buttons here, or these 2 buttons here, it can turn it clockwise or counterclockwise. So, yeah. One challenge that I faced, well, the main challenge I faced was pairing this thing to the wireless adapter. That was really hard, and it just sometimes won't work. And the code, it was the first time I ever coded anything like this, so I did kind of learn how to code for this wireless controller. Initially, it compiled successfully, but none of the motors were moving when I basically pressed the buttons on the controller. So turns out it was the library that I had installed, so I just installed a different one, and then it worked. So yeah, that's kind of the main challenge. From here on, something I would want to do is kind of construct the mechanical portion of the robot. I want to kind of mount the motors, add the wheels, and then kind of get the body of the robot going. Yeah, so, and then probably after that, I'm gonna code for the motor, so make it so that the wheels rotate correctly, and I can get the robot to move in the correct direction. So, yeah. Thank you.